Fiona, where have you gone to? I can't see you behind Luna.
I'm here.
It's because Luna's so big, isn't she?
Yeah, she's come for a mummy cuddle.
She has. Luna's the first Germanshepherd that we got, isn't she?
She is, yeah.
And probably the biggest as well. Big for a girl, isn't she?
She is big for a girl.
Very big for a girl. And at the moment, something's happening at the moment. If you notice carefully, guys, you'll notice that she's actually wearing...
She's got a nappy on.
A nappy, yes.
Yes.
Now, she hasn't been coming incontinent, but
No.
she is on a season, isn't she?
She's in season.
Yeah.
At the minute, yes.
And we have a new rug, so...
We've got a new rug, new carpet on the stairs, and we don't want any blood accidents.
Yeah.
So he's absolutely a godsend.
That's right, as well.
Yeah, so.
And of course, we have another male in the house as well.
Yeah, so we have to keep... He's outside.
Yeah.
She's inside, for obvious reasons.
Yeah. So we keep them separate for...
Yeah.
That's right. But how old is she now? How old is she? Two, isn't she?
3.
She's 3, of course. Yeah, she's 3 years old now, is Luna.
She was 3 in October.
That's right. We got her in 2016, didn't we?
Yeah.
And she's become a good girl, and she's had a few litters, hasn't she, as well?
Yeah, had 3 litters, haven't we?
Yeah. And of course, some of them live here, don't they?
We've got 4 more.
Yeah, 4 more.
We've got 4 of their children.
Yeah, 1 boy and 3 girls.
Yeah. We have, haven't we? And we're not having any more.
So what about these things anyway?
Oh yeah, where's I put the other one? We've got 3 pairs. I've got 3 pairs of these.
Right, okay.
So I've got to get these to show you. They're absolute godsend. I got them on Amazon. I think they're £15 for 3. Ow, that was my foot. £15 for 3. She's got a grey pair,
Luna.
a black pair that she's got them now.
Yeah.
And these and this one. This is a brand new one. She hasn't worn this one yet.
Okay.
But brilliant. Just put them in the wash.
Yeah.
Washing machine. The other pair in the wash. And it goes on that way. And that's got like a built-in pad.
Okay.
That's just washable and it catches, you know, the blood and whatnot. Tail obviously goes through the hole.
Yeah.
And she shouldn't even bother putting on. She's good as gold. She doesn't even bother putting them on. I mean, she's very clean anyway, isn't she? She always cleans.
Oh yeah.
When she didn't have it on, if she drips on the floor, you just say clean up, and she'll just lick it up off the floor.
She will.
Just clean up.
She's good like that, isn't she?
Clean and stuff. But yeah, these are just to stop because she likes to be in here with us, laying on the carpet and stuff. And
she does.
We don't want blood all over the place.
That's it. She's very much a front room kind of dog, isn't she?
She sleeps in our room at night time as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. So you need to have something on you, don't you?
Yeah. Just to protect.
And of course.
This is just for the others as well, even though the other girls, Zonnie Lyra, who's had 1 season, Sue's not had one yet. Star's had her first one, but she's due on, I think it's July, she's due on. So these will come in handy for all the girls we've got.
Okay.
I don't think they'll be in season at the same time. They can be, but if they are, I'll just buy more because they are an absolute godsend.
Yeah. Now, there's one thing I remember when we got Luna. She was so small, wasn't she? What I thought I would do, I would share our video of when we first got her.
Aww.
And you can have a look.
She was tiny.
You can have a look at Luna when she was a little pup.
Yeah, big girl now.
Isn't that right, Luna?
She's such a mummy's girl though, aren't you?
Yeah.
A mummy's girl.
She is, definitely.
Mummy's girl.
Okay guys, so what I thought I would do, we finished with a video of when we first got Luna back in 2016.
The kids look small as well.
Look really small, don't they? So check that out guys, we'll add that on now. Thanks for watching today's video and we will see you on Friday. Stay safe.
Yeah.
And stay well.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so we've got a special announcement to make, haven't we?
We have.
Yeah?
We've got a new addition to our family.
Oh. And what's she called?
This is Luna.
And she is
a Germanshepherd puppy.
Oh, and she look cute.
She's beautiful.
Just got off from that house across the road now. Oh,
our new baby girl.
Yeah. Oh, she's pining, isn't she, for?
Oh. She's going to be quite long.
Yeah, she could be.
She's going to be semi-long.
Luna, come on. Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, she's a bit shy.
She's camera shy, isn't she?
Camera shy. Camera shy.
She's very cute.
Oh.
Hello, Luna. Oh, there we go. You got a quick look. All right. So we'll set off back home now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll see you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
So, you might have a present. I want to go and get it now.
Yeah.
Okay?
Is it 1 each?
You have to wait and see.
Each. 1 each.
You'll have to see. Have to see. Okay. Come on. Okay. So, present. 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 It's a German Shepherd.
It's our family pet.
Oh, May. Oh.
It's called Luna.
Oh, May.
No. Careful.
Good girl.
She's scared. She's only 7 weeks old.
You alright?
We'll go sit down.
Aww.
We'll sit down on the chair.
I love you, May.
Can I hold it? Can I hold it? Can I hold it?
Oh.
Okay.
Take from the cliff thing. Right, who wants to hold puppy? May will hold Luna.
They should hold the